Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, liking,
all that fancy YouTuber stuff.
But I wanted to make a video on something that I recently got because I want to, make my videos better, and I want to have a top-down shot of things that I review on this channel. So I came across this thing from NEEWER, which is supposed to be some kind of clamp that you put on your desk, and you can extend it. Screw on this. There's another one right here. And it's pretty long. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's pretty long. And so basically it comes with all these pieces where you attach this to the desk, and this part you actually clamp it on one end of the extension arm, and you close it up so you can have this out. And it's a little ball head that you can attach a camera, a light, microphone, whatever the case may be. And it comes with another ball head that you can attach this part in case you don't want to use this, or if you do. And it comes with two of these adapter screws. It seems like it goes with a Blue Yeti microphone because of the way how big it is. And it also comes with a cell phone clamp with 1/4 inch thread on both sides. Probably won't use this because it feels kind of cheap, but that is it. So I'm gonna try to set it up and show you what it looks like. So setting this thing up is pretty easy. Just put it on the back of your desk, the front, the side, wherever you want to put it, and you just tighten it up. I mean, I could do it while the desk is going up and down in a sit-stand motion. That's how easy it is. Alright, so we all know why you're here. It's because you want to see that stick extend. Set it to the adjust height that you want, tighten it up, and you get this extension arm that it comes with. Clamp it on this end or the higher end, whatever it is that you want to set it up to do. And then you can attach all these attachments on either end.
Microphone, lighting, camera.
Whatever it is. I have my little light right here that you can see. Comes with a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom. And you just screw it on, and there you go. Little lighting for your video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more videos.